alam mo yung sinubukan mo naman, you did your best, but yeah, life is just really like that. So it's so sad that it has come to this. You gotta do what you need or what your family needs. So what's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman, where here we love to talk about things that help us win in life. Today, I'm so sorry po sa energy natin today. I don't think I would be having the same energy that we usually have. Today's episode is a bit of a sad day for me actually, because ayan nga, today we will be giving up or letting go nga itong si Toyota Vios. We have had a lot of memories, a lot of great things with this car, as you've seen in my after 1 year video review of this car. I believe it was really awesome. It was really a great car, great sedan, has more than enough, actually has more than what you really need in a car. And if you guys remembered, meron nga tayong videos about 10 things that I love about this car. There I really pointed out ano yung mga nagustuhan ko talaga sa sasakyan na to. But on the other hand, you also know that I have a video about things that I don't like that much about this car. Basically, this is not a bad car at all. I really love this actually. There are just things that we unfortunately, really need to adjust because nag-iiba nga ang ating situation, diba? Every season sa ating buhay, nagbabago, may iba't ibang pangangailangan. That is also the reason why I love or I'm passionate about this channel, because I love to discuss cars here because, there are different needs to anyone. There are different status or levels. So far, I've been having a lot of fun on discussing what car you would need according to your particular situation. And recently, ayun nga, we have been a part of that discussion. We also had a different need. We researched, we talked about a lot of different form factors ng mga kotse, mga sasakyan, diba? And lately, we have also decided that we have chosen a different path or a different kind of form factor that we need today. So you might ask, ano ba talaga ang pinaka main reason or ang pinaka deal breaker? Bro, bakit mo give up yan? Bakit mo isusurrender ang Toyota Vios when you said that it's really a great car? Napaka affordable, napaka budget friendly, and nga all the good things that you said, 0 down payment, and then affordable naman yung kanyang monthly. So why the need to change? Why are you giving up the Toyota Vios? What made you decide? So before we get into that, what really made me decide, allow me to point out just some of the main things that I loved about this car, one by one. First would be, napaka-swabe nung ride nito guys. Swabeng-swabe po yung CVT ni Toyota Vios. Ang sarap niya i-drive actually. Napaka, smooth. Para sa akin, swabe talaga. Ang sarap niya i-drive actually. Yan nga, sedan. Sporty yung feeling, of course. If you're a car guy, like I always say, you're a car enthusiast, you really feel satisfied with this sedan actually. In terms of the fuel consumption, it's not that much of a deal breaker for me actually, maybe to some. Pero sa akin naman, I'm getting 8.5 kilometers per liter. Sa akin, hindi masyadong deal breaker yan. Medyo masakit isipin because you know that a Toyota Wigo could have like 11 or 12 kilometers per liter. Medyo masakit yun isipin. But for me, I don't consider that as a deal breaker. I can live with that. Komportable ang kanyang seats. Promise. Kahit na nasa likod ka, I think a lot of you naman can experience riding a Toyota Vios as a Grab, diba? Yung kanyang backseat, ang sarap talagang upuan. Sakto lang yung recline nung kanyang positioning ng backseat. Sayang lang din, wala siyang yung sa gitna, yung center console. Pero again, that's not a big deal for me. This is the Toyota Vios XLE. And for me, I have a lot of features that I need on this car. There are a lot of things that are here that I can say that is good enough for me. Though there are features, of course, that I always tell you that I wish could have been there. Still, those are non-deal breakers. I can still live with those features that I don't have. In terms of the features and the reliability of this car, actually, it's really highly recommended, guys. So, bakit nga ba? Ito, story time lang konti, guys. We always love to, you know, in our church, we love to spend time with a lot of our kasama namin sa church. So, there are times that we do events on our church using this car, mga paahon na mga subdivision kung saan namin ni-held yung mga events namin. Lumalaban talaga tong si Vios, guys, kahit 1.3 lang to. I'm really proud of this car. Lumalaban po ito sa mga ahonan. But going back, one day, ayun nga, because we love to fellowship, we love to spend time, hang out with a lot of our kasama namin. There was this one day that we went into a place that we really love to go, isang Starbucks po dito sa area namin, where it had a very large hump. So that time, 5 kami nun, me, my wife, and then yung ibang kasama namin sa church. So, as we go to that coffee shop, guys, and as we took that road, as in, nung dinaan ako na sa driver, diba, alam niyo naman, may mga techniques dyan, you do your best to, yun nga, mga magic 7, yung isaslant mo yung sasakyan mo, diba, especially Vios, like I always tell you, naka-lower talaga siya, guys, mababa talaga yung kanyang ground clearance. I always tell you that here in the channel. So, guess what, alam niyo siguro sa patungo tong story na to, diba, so as we go through that hump, ayan na nga, boom, may garalgal na tunog na napakahaba. Ang haba, guys, ang tagal nung garalgal, ang tagal nung sayad, guys. So, sayad na sayad ang aking Toyota Vios during that time. And that made me realize, that made me think hard, oh man, if this is our lifestyle, if this is what we love to do, spending time with people, and we really want to be a blessing din naman, diba? So, to a lot of people, we want to bless others. Yan nga, kaya nga tayo blessed ni God, diba? Kaya nga tayo binigyan ng blessings ni God para so that we could be a blessing to others. So if that's gonna be our lifestyle or what we're gonna be loving to do, I think that we're gonna need we're gonna need to pray a larger car that is, you know, hopefully that has a higher ground clearance. So in short, you will realize as your family grows, you will also need something that is a bit larger, and that's a reality of life. That's normal. There's gonna be a lot of different situations where you're gonna be thinking and needing to adjust on your life situation. So fast forward to today, we did a lot of praying, we did a lot of thinking about it, you know, a lot of conversations ni Mrs. And then we both believed by faith that hopefully we can avail of a bigger car. And then, ayan nga, thankfully, praise God, may nakahanap naman tayo na willing bumili nitong Vios. More than willing, actually, I think bagay na bagay talaga to sa kanya. I personally know him, my wife and I, we personally love this guy. Buyer reveal tayo on the next video, so subscribe for that. But anyway, it's very important for me and my wife because really, the both of us really love this car. We have been attached to this car, and it's really important for us as well na alagaan pa rin siya, diba? Kahit papano, mahalin pa rin yung sasakyan na to. As painful as it is, ganyan talaga ang buhay. Alam mo yung sinubukan mo naman, you did your best. Life is just really like that. You gotta do what you need or what your family needs. So it's so sad that it has come to this, but at least we know at kampante kami sa bagong may-ari ng sasakyan na to. So as we end this video, let me just give you a last tour of this Vios, kung ano yung mga ginawa ko dito, and what would the new buyer get from this car, what will he enjoy about this, and hopefully you can have some ideas as well on what you want to do, or if you're gonna choose the Toyota Vios as well as your car, you can have some ideas out of this. All right, so let's go. Matutuwa talaga yung bagong owner nito. Dami kong nilagay na accessories. Deep dish matting, kailangan na natin yan ipalinis mamaya. But yeah, those are things that come with this. Ito, steering wheel cover na carbon fiber look. Ayan, GR na mga lagayan ng cup. And then itong car organizer. Handbrake cover na leather. And then ito po yung adapter para sa USB ports. Dalawang USB ports yan with lalagayan ng ating, para sa ating dashcam. Ayan, may installed na po yan na dashcam. Sulit na sulit po talaga para sa new owner. And then ayan, meron ding sunshade cover so that pag walang roof yung ating parking, pwede natin siyang i-cover para hindi masyadong kawawa yung interior ng sasakyan natin. Yan, nilagyan ko rin to. Ito, headrest. Yan, tsaka itong seatbelt or shoulder padding. Okay? Nothing much dun sa likod, sa back seat. Walang masyadong ano dun except dun sa tissue holder. Yan, dalawa. Tsaka, yan, grab holders. Ayos, suede yan. And then ito rin, bigay ko na lang rin sa kanya to. Lagayan ng mga anik-anik, cards. If you want to see the video about the accessories that I put in here, just check out the playlist on my homepage. Meron po tayo dyan playlist, best accessories and gadgets for your car. And then lastly, ito, itong anti-slip mat. Yan, sporty. Kulay red. Yung kanyang details. Lagayan ng mga barya, cellphone. Okay na okay. Of course, CarPlay, Android Auto, available. Yan, may kasama pang wire para sa mga iPhone. Ayan, rain visor. Ayos. Okay, so ayan, kita nyo rin guys, minodify na po natin tong susi. Yung original po nito, hindi ganito yung itsura. Kakaiba po yun, and then yan, mas pinaganda na natin. So wala na talagang pagsisiyan yung bagong owner nito. Ayan, naka-flip key na po yan. And then, yeah, sobrang excited po for the new owner. So ayan, yan nga, I really am excited for the new owner of this car. I will miss this car. I love this car. I love Shadow so much, but yeah, I'm so happy that she will be in a new great owner. To the new owner of this car, so happy for you. I know that this car will really bring you to a lot of places. This is gonna be a great investment for you and your future family kasi ayan, single pa po kasi ito and ready to mingle. This guy is really awesome, so I hope he finds as well the right partner, the right woman whom he can build a family with and ma-enjoy nila tong sasakyan na to. So yan na muna for today's video guys. I hope nakatulong po ito if you're considering the Toyota Vios. Still, there are a lot of videos here in our channel that could help you decide on which car to buy according to your needs. Thank you for joining us in our car journey. I'm so excited on our next video guys. Subscribe for that. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that if we seek God first and make Him the King of our lives, all of these things, all of the decisions, all of the paths in life, this will be added unto us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.